We are going to discuss about the very simple concept called export and export default differences. So export default, we are going to see it when we are writing an export default array function. By default it is having an export default option. So we are importing the component with the import option. So when we are having an only direct export, we have to import with the curly braces. So that is the only difference we are having. Let's see it in a code here. So here we are having in one component called app app component. So what is the output of this? So it's very simple. So what I have done here is I have created one component folder in the source path. I have created three files. One is header. Header is having an React type functional arrow function export. Okay, here I have added one thing called here only I have included header part in h2 section. So like that, footer also same, and I have created component container is also same. So I want to import them here. How do I import it? Import. So first one, header. By default intelligence is showing to me, so I am importing the same. Import. So the second one is I want to import container, and the third one is import footer. So everything common here now. So I have imported. So how do I add them? It's very simple. Header, and the next one is container, and the next one is footer. So run it here. Header, container, footer are here because we are imported here, because in the header section we have used here export default header. Instead of that, I want to remove this and I want to add export here. So when I run it here, it showed me an error saying that exports header is not possible here because it's throwing an error. So what I have to do is simply, if you don't want to export it default, add this here, run it, and it's compiled. So that is the only difference, guys. Okay, I hope you understand.